Hello guys, what is it? In this video, we are going to show you how to fix if your GCash account is on hold. Now, if your GCash account is on hold, there are a few reasons for being so. So as you can see here, if you're unable to log in, your account may have been restricted or put on hold due to the following reasons. In compliance with the Bangko Sentral of the Pilipinas regulations, GCash basic accounts will be deactivated if it has not been fully verified for the past 12 months. So if you have a GCash account, it's not verified within 12 months, because of regulations, it's going to be deleted, right? If the information and documents that you provided is not real or accurate, you're going to be restricted. If the account is being used for illegal activities, it's going to be restricted. GCash has received a directive from a government agency, court, law, regulation. Your account is going to be restricted as well. The GCash wallet is inactive. That's another one. If your account is inactive, you're going to be restricted. Now, how do you fix this? You go to the GCash Help Center, just Google it, and GCash account, manage your account, right? And you're going to be brought to this page. Now, in this page, you're going to have a few options over here at the bottom. It says account was deactivated, account was restricted, routine verification of account. So what you want to do is click on account was restricted. Now, it's going to show you this drop down. If you received an email or SMS from GCash about the restriction done on your account, please click here to submit the following requirements, which is you need photos of 2 valid government issued IDs, so 2 government IDs, photo of the actual SIM card or screenshot of the SIM number under phone settings as proof of your ownership of the phone, and proof of ownership of the GCash account. So after that, you need to click on this link, click here to submit the following requirements. So you're going to be brought to this new tab. So you would need to fill out everything here. So you need to fill out your email address, your GCash registered full name, not just your simple name, just your full name that is on the GCash, because sometimes people would be not putting their full name on accounts. Country, of course, mobile number, select which statement is most relevant to your case, your account type, proof of source of funds and financial security, valid government issued IDs, like what we said earlier, and provide all the details that you have so that they can help you better. And then attachments, these are going to be the photos of your IDs and whatnot. Then you click submit, and you just need to wait. And I know they're going to send you a ticket on your email, so that's how you remedy if your account on GCash is restricted. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next one.